en migao mar thieth oyango ni Kaontis 26 mapacho ka gin mago ma midhiero mar tho mag nyithindo ng'enye mokalo. Kaluwore koda ma migao mar thieth ochiko duol makeyo yedhe pacho kamano KEMSA mondo chwal yedhe mapiyo ne Kaontis mokalo e midhiero machalo koda mago magitimore kinde ma oyangore ni nyithindo maromo 90 kod mine mok tin 15 wito ngimagi pile ka pile pacho ka gwenge makalo e midhiero mapek ahinya gin mago mongoro.
So the highest availability, percent of facilities had medicines for mental health.
The national protocols, I believe when it comes in, you start.
The maternal newborn deaths, our mortality rate in our country is unacceptable. It's unacceptable. And it is being now driven, led by the president himself, not me, and not by the Council of Governors. And the DG has formed a team working with the Council of Governors. We have identified 26 high burden counties. Now I'm going to send another letter to KEMSA today, telling KEMSA that you can deny the counties any other commodity, but not those ones.